Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Kyrobe wood on the Xperia Z1s. We're going to start off by installing the one-piece front. By doing so, you want to remove it completely off the wax backing and then flapping it over so you only have the sensors in your hand. You want to align the sensors around the top of the phone and center them so you'll see the border around the edge. Once you have the top centered, you want to bring the bottom down and then align the bottom of the skin. Once you have it all centered correctly, you want to just run your thumb and nail to center the sides and then use your thumb to press it all down. And there you have it. We installed the one-piece front on this Xperia. Now we're going to be going onto the back. Now we're going to be installing the back of the Xperia Z1s. Like before, you want to completely remove it from the wax backing and use the camera eye, the flash, and the mic cutout as your pivot points. Now that you have that section of the back skin down, you can let the rest of it flap down and then just press out all the air bubbles and make sure that the skin is secure onto the back of your phone. Next, you want to grab your hairdryer just so that the adhesive would activate and make for a better stick. Now it is on to the side wrap portion of the video. We're going to start installing the sides by installing the main section around the power button of the side. So we're going to peel that off completely from the wax backing. And then you want to center it around that main power button and the cutout below it. We're going to use those as our first primary pivot points of the install. Now that you have that centered, press that area down and then run your thumb down the side and it will align itself most of the time. Next, we're going to go to the section right above the one that we've just installed. That's going to be one of the door covers. Now this process is the same. All you have to do is center the skin inside the center of the side so you do see a nice border around the skin. And all you do is press it down and there you have another section installed. Our next piece is going to be the one on the opposite side on the bottom. There's going to be two cutouts that you can install a clip or a keychain type item, but you want to center it around the longer speaker cutout. You're going to see two flaps exposed and you want to connect them to the previously installed side. There is going to be a little bubble or tunnel underneath the corner, but we're going to take care of that in a little bit. Our next side is going to be the one with the oval cutout. This one has two prongs and it allows you to make a connection to your PlayStation device. Now you want to center the skin around the area of that cutout. And like I said before, this is going to be the primary point of your pivot that you'll be able to center the skin around. You want to have a nice border at the end of this install, and then once you have it laid onto the side, you want to press it down. And now we're going to move up the side wrap to the first door. Leave a nice little border and then press it down once you feel that it's been aligned correctly. Since the next door is missing on this particular phone, we're just going to bypass that. And we're going to move on to the top. Now as you can see here, we're going to center it around the audio jack. And then as for the bottom, those flaps are going to be exposed. Just press them down and make connections to the other side wraps as we did earlier. Now, as for those tunnels that I said that will be visible from the corners, you want to grab your hairdryer and just heat the areas of the sides. That's including all sides because there is a little bit of contour to the phone and you want the skin to conform to the curves. Once you reach the corners and you're heating them down, you want to use your thumb in a circular momentum and then press them down. It will make a nice conformed curve around each corner to the phone. Now you can see here you have small little wrinkles. In order to remove them, you just want to lift up the area that the wrinkle is located. You want to lift it up completely off the phone, the wrinkle area. You don't want to lift the skin up, but that wrinkle, as I did here. And now you want to heat that side area again. And then in a circular motion with your thumb, try to make a nice smooth finish of the skin to your phone. Now we're going to finish up with the other corners. We're going to follow the same methods as I did before. You're going to heat the corner, and then with a circular motion of your thumb, smooth out the side wrap to the phone. And we're going to continue move down the side, and we're going to smooth out the side wrap as well. And now finally, we're just going to go once over with the hairdryer to make sure the adhesive sticks on everything on the phone, so we don't have to worry about it removing itself. Alright guys, this has been the install of Kyrobe wood on a Sony Xperia Z1s. Thanks for viewing, and until next time.